Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they rallied on Tuesday, lifted by shares in semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, as well as capital goods and tech hardware and equipment sectors. President Donald Trump said he will meet with Chinese President Xi Jinping at the upcoming G20 summit. Sentiment also lifted with anticipation the Fed will ease monetary policy later this year. On the economic docket, housing starts falling about 0.9% month over month to 1.269 million in May, while building permits, they rose 0.3% month over month. This all as 74% of SP500 constituents, they traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Adobe Systems posting second quarter EPS of $1.83 versus $1.66 a year ago on revenue of $2.74 billion. Moving on, Asian markets higher today. The Nikkei rising 1.72%. The Hang Seng soaring more than 2.5%. China's CSI 300 up 1.32%, and South Korea's Kospi up just about 1.25%. European markets slightly positive and futures calling for a positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, Oracle fourth quarter EPS seen at $1.07 on sales of approximately $10.9 billion. On the economic docket, 7 o'clock in the morning, we had mortgage applications. And then in the afternoon, we have the highly anticipated Federal Reserve interest rate decision, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, taking a look at the markets, the SP 500 is where we begin. That sees the bias remain bullish, and that's in focus. Even though a continuation of the consolidation cannot be ruled out, the extent should be limited. Long positions above 29.15 are favored, with targets at 29.3625 and 29.55 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, sees its intraday support around 76.25, while the Dow Jones sees a bullish bias above 26,400.